Out. Haaland? Odegaard? भाई साहब
And good evening on what is a perfect night for football. The floodlights shining down on the players as we speak. I'm Derek Ray, ready to bring you match commentary, and alongside me is Stuart Robson. And with the game just moments away now, this really ought to be a superb watch. It's Arsenal up against Milan.
Well, Derek, as is always the case, the team that dominates midfield will be the team that controls the flow of the game. And that, for me, is the area that's key today.
Jude Bellingham, Mo Salah, Zambrota, now Mo Salah.
मैं पास दे रहा ही नहीं हूँ तेरे को मैं दे रहा ही नहीं हूँ ऑटोमेटिक पास जाता
Danger averted. Salah. Mane, Giovanni Lo Celso, Vinicius Junior, Salah, Mane, and the referee sees that as a foul. Free kick given. Well, no card, but the referee clearly indicating that he's off. Oh, denied by the post. Just the clearance that was needed. Not the best challenge, free kick. Lothar Matthäus. Bellingham. Mo Salah. Matthäus. Giovanni Lo Celso. Very much run-of-the-mill as saves go. Well, couldn't quite find his teammate. And collected tidily. He had plenty to think about. Lothar Matthäus.